Yo, what is up? So, I'm going over my trades I took today. I did not trade yesterday. I did go over the trades that I would have took yesterday, but these are the trades I took today. I took a short after seeing these trap buyers and kind of got in the middle of the trend, which I was waiting for confirmation. Looking at it now, okay, we got to break a structure here, right? Came back, tapped this area, dipped, did not tap. I could have looked for something here. Hindsight, right? Even here, this break of this higher, I guess, structure. Let me see if that looks any different. Yeah, see high. Yeah, no, I don't like how it looks on the 5. On the 1, it looks pretty cool. Look, I got, we got this jump up, stall, seller, strong. Up here, strong seller. Boom. I could have waited for some break of this area, right? Once it broke, came back, retested, I could have got in somewhere around there. 11, 13, 11, 14. And I was looking at something right there, but it was just hesitation, I guess, bro. Hesitation. Look at this one. If this would have stopped up here and then gone down, then that would have been a little bit better. But so on this one, I got in over here. It was came up. I mean, it was going down, and then I got in over here. It came up, boom. Right, came up, got me out quick. Waited a little bit. Look, this was the trap sellers I was showing you. I was telling you about. Came up right here. Look at this. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, equal, relatively equal high, and then trap sellers here. We got these sellers trapped, and then boom, comes down. I saw this. I usually when I usually see this something like this, I like to get in with the buyer once it finishes, like once it goes up a little bit. So I was going to get something here, but I didn't. And looking at it now, it would have been nice, this area, but it's okay. So it's all right. It's all right. This trade felt like I had to just jump for it. It was the entry could have been better, but it was just like the rip the band-aid off, you know. Noticing these patterns, and it's just gonna come with time, you know. I'm recognizing I'm recognizing the footprint, recognizing the patterns. I was looking at the dom too. The dom, I have a dom on the side, and that was really good. I saw the sellers get aggressive. They were hitting the bid, but there was no follow through. So they started hitting the ask, and then boom, it was just dipping down. On this one was a good play. Another good one. On the fuck, I'm gonna do that next time. I'm gonna circle it and kind of put a line to where I got in, so I can see. So I got in 11:25. So I got in this candle, that candle at 6452. 6452. Oh wait. What the fuck? 11:25:38. Oh, okay. I got it in this candle. 25:38. Yeah, I got in this candle kind of where I saw where it broke, where it was gonna break this 52 right here. I got in over here ish. Yeah, once it started to break this area, I knew at least it was gonna come down good. So I was targeting. I should have. Oh, okay. I was targeting this area. I was targeting this right here. Um, and I could have stayed, bro. It came down, came up, came down. I closed out. Opened up. Boom. It would have hit me on the next candle, but I just didn't want to. I didn't want to. I didn't want to lose the profits. I moved once I got good profits. I moved it to half of my stop. Once I got a little more, I moved it to break even, I think. Next play, I was like, okay, let me just get the 400 to to pass it. But this one was tricky, iffy, and fucking reckless. Okay, so it was here 11:31:12. 11:31:12. So I got in here, came up, came down 11:22:21. Got out. I got out like right here at 43.75. 43.75. So yeah, I got out like right here. I'm glad I did because it shot down. Boom! I clicked it, got out, and then this one it just went from there. I'm glad I exited because this would have it would have got me out, right? And it wouldn't have been as bad because my wins were bigger, but still, it would have been like a break even day, right? No, I would have like a break even day. 55, yeah, break even day, a little bit more, but I'm glad I didn't. Tomorrow's gonna be another great day. I am noticing these patterns better and reading the footprint better. There is opportunities. There is opportunities, but it is, it is that time, it is that time to just act on it. So look, see how that's what I want to learn too, is the large volume indicator is when that hit, look, there was a big order here, but it still closed delta. It still closed positive, right? So this was a good indicator for it to flip up. And I saw on the DOM, it looked a little weird where the buyers were getting aggressive and they were hitting the bid hard. And look at right here. Almost 19, 15,000 orders just on these two, just in these two, this minute or so, not including this, look at this, just this general area of like, so it started ranging after that, it started kind of ranging after that, but the buyers were getting aggressive there, and it's just there, I'm glad I got out, caught a couple moves. There was a couple highs. The high rolled the low at the height of day. That was pretty cool. Yeah, and tomorrow's gonna be a better day. I am just a couple $100 away from passing the challenge and potentially getting my first payout this coming week. right? If I trade good tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday, yada, yada, yada. So good trading day. We're already in the middle of the week, and it is going to be good. Been taking 2 trades, 3 trades, 1 trade, 2 trades, 2 trades, 8 trades, right? So my strategy is working. I usually do fuck up on the first play, but that's because my stop is so small. Going to change my, I think I did already change my reward, my settings. Yeah, see, all I need is 400. I could change this to 250, but I'll just leave it. I just need one good play, one good solid move up, or down tomorrow. I did want shorts. I was waiting for shorts. I think all my trades have been shorts. Let's see. Where do you check? Oh yeah, see, all my trades have been shorts. Bro. So short in a bull market, bro. It's been a little tricky, but that's funny. But yeah, like my best trade, that was pretty cool. Okay. Well, thanks for tuning in. I am going to upload this today, and I journaled and see what I did good, what I could improve. Again, all praise be to God. Thank you so much for staying this late, watching and tuning in. Thank you for everything. Appreciate you guys, and remember to study, journal, and learn your symbol and learn your strategy. All right, peace.